Hey everyone, so I got myself a new graphics card. It finally arrived today after waiting for 2 weeks for the postage to arrive. So what I have here is on camera. Got it from the PRE Computers. Just going to open this up, and there is a lot of bubble wrapping, so which is good. So as you can see, this is a nvidia graphics card. And I didn't really want to get this card at all. I mean, I wanted to get a AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT, but I don't really care too much for the NVIDIA's like RTX or DLSS feature and stuff, because I play a lot of like indie, especially like hardcore shooters like Hell Let Loose and like Vietnam and things like Beyond the Wire. So like ray tracing, DLSS, I don't really care too much about it. I might give it a shot once, but not something I really care about too much. So yeah, but after AMD's like really bad launch, which I was there. I was there. I tried to get it like within like the first minutes, and I still couldn't really get it. So here I am, stuck with this NVIDIA's graphics cards, which I'm really struggling to open up this box right here. There we go, look at that. So what I've got here, okay, just get rid of this. Alright, so what I got here is a very nice Zotac GeForce RTX 3090. So definitely way above my budget, but at least I have a bragging right to say that I have the fastest graphics card for a while, and compared to paying like scalping prices for the RTX 3080 or the 6000 XT, I was like, why not just shell out like a bit more money and just get the 3090. So I mean, it has been about 3 weeks since the launch of the RX 6800, and there is pretty much no indication that things are improving. So I really don't want to wait anymore and give myself the stress of like trying to chase up like what's happening there. So here we have it, the really nice 3090. We got it. Alright, just show you guys the box a little bit before I try to open this up. So here is the bag. So we got the nice features and everything. So I'm just more curious, like, what power supply do they recommend? Do they actually say it around the box? Not really. But anyway, let's open up this bad boy. So just gonna open up the side right here. There we go. Just gonna pull this out. Man, this box is really heavy. Hang on, it's stuck. Okay, there we go. Got it. All right, let's see what do we have here. Okay, so get a pretty solid black box right here. Gonna open this up. Man, this is really tight. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, it looks like I got it the other sides. Alright, so here's the front. So we got a nice little Zotac logo right here. I'm gonna open this up. Alright, so what do we have? Some probably instruction manual. So just put it aside. I'm gonna open this up. So we got a nice foam right here, and there we go. There is the graphics cards. But before I open up the graphics card, let's see what else they include. So we have a 2x6 pin to a 8-pin PCIe connector, and another one of those. So these are just adapters. And right here we have the graphics cards. And looks like my cat's pretty interested in what I'm opening up. Come here. All right. I'll just do a quick look at the box and see what else is in there. Okay, yep, that's pretty much it. All right, let's look at this graphics card itself and what I think of it, like some first impressions. Oh, okay, yep, I scared him away. There we go. So here is the Zotac GeForce 3090. So we got 3 fans, pretty standard. So right here, 2 8 pins. The nvidia has this weird design where it goes in the middle rather than the side here, mainly due to their PCB. Because if you look at their PCB, it ends here, but the cooler actually extends a little bit further out over here. And right here, so we got a Zotac gaming, probably RGB, but yeah, I feel a bit excessive. Like probably just Zotac alone that is enough, but the gaming just feels a bit excessive to me. Got the GeForce RTX kind of as a bragging rights. Got a pretty sick looking backplate. Apart from this kind of cringy slogan, but it's barely visible. So yeah, I think that's kind of forgivable. That's almost 3 lanes, so it's pretty thick. And man, this card is heavy. And of course here we got the back. So I'm guessing 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. So yeah, it's a really, I think overall it's a really good looking card. I mean, it is an entry level card. So I paid like, just a very close to MSRP for this, at least here in Australia. So here's the cards. All right, so for comparison, so the previous cards that I have, I mean, I am a long time AMD customer, so which is really sad for me to switch over to nvidia. So here is the RX 5700 Asus TUF, and here is my very old MSI Radeon R9 3990. So you can see this card is way longer, but I'm really surprised at it's actually not that, the width of it is not that thick. It's like, actually these 2 cards, they are thicker, so that is actually really surprising. So you can see for thickness comparison, so probably about 3 slots. And this is, I'm actually surprised the TUF was pretty thick. And here we see the old R9, Radeon R9 390. So there we have it, guys. So the Zotac 3090, and now I'm going to install it into my PC and take this bad boy for a run.